Hi Fernando. So here I'm testing on the same like the 4K60 metric switcher, but the thing is like different from the one which you tested. Like this one I'm using is HDR input and the HDR output, but it's actually the same thing as the 8x8 which you have in hand. Okay, so right now I already have like four sources connected. One is the Fire Stick, which is already showing up. It's a 1080p, and the second source is my PC camera 1080p, and then I have another two sources. One is from the Android player 4K60. This one is from my laptop 4K30, and for the output right now, as you can see right now, I have like four outputs. Output 1 and 3, 4 are connected to these four TVs, three TVs here. Though 3 TV can support 4K60, but this AOC monitor here only can support 1080p 60 Hz. Okay, so now I'm going to do is I'm going to just switch in between those sources, and then you can see how it works. Like right now, I have it switched to the input 2, which is for my PTZ camera. It's a 1080p source. 4 displays can get a image output. Input 3 is my Android player, which is a 4K60 input source, right? As you can see, it's a 4K60. I already have it select this resolution. So now we can see this monitor here is like no image output, right? So I can do is like I can just have this one, have the deep switch, and the deep switch 2 set to the deep switch 01 means I can have the deep switch 2 up, right? I already have it up. Then let's see, right now we can see we already got this monitor showing up contents, because this one now is already changed to the 1080p 60 Hz. I have a HDMI generator here. I can use this one to read the signal information, and then we can check it out. Okay, so I just have this one monitor disconnected, then have it connected to this port. So now I can just read information here. Signal info, enter. Right, you can see that right now is actually 1080p 60 Hz. But you have this deep switch to the opposite down position, deep switch 2. Shall I have the path through? Then we can check it out. Right, it's the original resolution. It's a 4K60 because I use the path through directly. So now I can just have switched to the input 4, which is from my laptop extension screen. Right, those 3 TV are no problem because you can support 4K, and here we can check it out, see how it works. Right, it's a 4K 30 Hz. But if now I'm just going to have the deep switch, the same thing, we have the deep switch 2 to the 01 position, like right now. So we can check it out again. Right, it's a 1080p 30 Hz. So basically with the 4K 60, 4K 30 resolution input, then with the deep switch on the output side, we can basically have the scaling by using the deep switch 1 and deep switch 2. Okay, so this is the testing here. So but for my AOC display here, this one cannot support the 1080 30 Hz. So like right now, if I have this one connect back, it will not show the image just because this display only can support the 1080 60 Hz. Like right now, if I switch him back to the input 3, then we can get the image output. Right, just because we have this port is down to the 01, which is for 1080. If I just swap these two ports, right, I have this monitor here connect to this one, but this port is I use the path through, so basically we cannot get any image output. But if I just do the same thing, have the deep switch 2 to the up position, right, now we can get the image output. So basically, as long as like we have the deep switch set, and also the display can support the 1080, then we can get a image output. Okay, thank you.